Hi there, VS Code hackers. Today we're going to install a Git Fuzzy Search menu in VS Code, but we're not going to install an extension that does it. Instead, we're going to install the Joyride extension and then add a script to it that gives us this menu. So we will install the extension and then copy this script here, link in the description. And yeah, we will basically follow the recipe here. So here we have our extension, no Joyride here. So let's fix that. We search for Joyride, install Joyride, and you can watch this video here for more about Joyride. Yeah, so that's done now. And now we should copy the code from here. So we copy that code. And then we should run the VS Code command, Joyride create user source file. Joy create user source file. That command. And we should enter Git Fuzzy. So this is important, the name here, because the name needs to match the file name. So here we have the default script, but now we're overwriting everything there with this script that we copied. And now we should configure a keyboard shortcut. So this code here, keyboard short. Yeah, that one. And I'll put it here. Okay, I didn't have it like that. And now, sorry, we should use this shortcut. So here is the menu. So I don't know, you can fuzzy search this menu, some or edit slurp or edit multi cursor. Yeah. So, and you can quickly go through your Git history and yeah, browse the file changes. So that's the script, and that's how you install it. So yeah, the link to the script is in the description, and I will also paste these instructions in the description. And yeah, like and subscribe. That's what I want to show you. If you want to stay with me, I want to show you one more thing uh, about Joyride and how to like start your scripting of Joyride, because maybe you wanted this this script, wait, and you may want to make it do something differently, and that's the beauty of it being a script, and you can just hack it to do whatever you want. So the easiest way to work with the script is actually to open it up in the user scripts project itself. And this project was installed and created now when we installed Joyride. So there is a Joyride open user Joyride directory in a new window. So that's the command I want to show you. So you open that, and yeah, you can actually ask Copilot about, maybe I should show you that instead. So, hello, What can you tell me about Joyride? Yeah, actually, it has some knowledge about me. So, but anyway, it's searching through here, and while we're waiting for it to say that, so this is the Joyride user script project, and it has some instructions here. Among those, how you install this Git Fuzzy script thing, and some other. You should install Calva to work with the scripts, and there are examples and how you run the scripts, and yeah, the directory structure of this project and stuff like that. So let's see what. Yeah, so you see here it gives you information about Joyride, and it can help you hack VS Code and use it. It's pretty good with Joyride actually, Copilot. I can recommend you trying out that way. Yeah, so this was what I wanted to show you. So it's easier to work with the script here, and use the scripts in Joyride or global to VS Code. So if you do a change here and then go back here and let's say you don't have open there, and then you have updated the scripts for all VS Code windows. Yeah, so I hope you try it out. Thanks for watching.